What's something that made you angrier than you've ever been? When I was 14, my dad remarried this high-powered attorney named Elaine. She was polished, confident, and honestly, I thought she was amazing at first. She moved us into this glassy penthouse downtown, bought me expensive clothes, got me into this elite private school. She'd even bring me to her firm and introduce me like, this is my future Supreme Court justice. I actually felt lucky. Then Lily was born. Everything shifted. Elaine became obsessed with turning Lily into some legal genius. I mean, this poor kid was reciting sections of the Constitution by age 3, but she'd never been to a park, never had a play date. Elaine didn't read bedtime stories, she assigned case law, and every night she'd film Lily reciting it like a show pony for dinner parties. At first I didn't get it, but then I noticed how Lily would flinch when she messed up. One time I walked into the living room and found her standing there, arms outstretched, holding 2 law books while crying. Elaine just said, "Future lawyers need posture and discipline." Like that explained everything. My dad traveled a lot. He never saw any of it. And when I tried to tell him, Elaine would just smile and say I was jealous of Lily's brilliance. One night I heard Lily crying in Elaine's office. I walked in and found her hiding under the desk. Flashcards everywhere, red mark on her cheek. Elaine was standing over her, furious because Lily had stumbled over a definition at some firm event. That's when I started recording everything. Over 6 months, I collected videos, photos, audio, proof of the way Elaine treated Lily, her screaming over mispronounced words, Lily up past 2 a.m., eyes puffy, still drilling legal concepts. The worst? Elaine threatening to send her away if she couldn't recite the Bill of Rights before turning 4. I tried showing my dad, but Elaine had already twisted everything. Told him I was unstable, even got me seeing a therapist, claimed I had pathological jealousy. But the breaking point? Elaine's law firm had this huge gala. She'd been training Lily like a circus act to perform in front of the partners. But right before the performance, Lily froze, completely shut down. Elaine dragged her into the bathroom. I followed and found Lily hyperventilating, and Elaine gripping her shoulder so tightly it left bruises. I'd had enough. I pulled out my phone and hit record. Elaine lunged at me, cracked my screen, slamming me into the wall, but not before I caught everything. And here's the wild part. A senior partner walked in mid-chaos. Elaine immediately flipped back into courtroom charm, saying I was having a breakdown. But the damage was done. That night, I uploaded every file from my cloud, created a document with dates, timestamps, everything. I sent it to every partner at her firm, the State Bar, and CPS. I even included a statement from our housekeeper. Elaine had threatened to have her deported if she spoke up. 3 days later, Elaine was pulled into an emergency ethics meeting. She was suspended on the spot. When CPS showed up at our place, they saw Lily's room filled with law books, no toys, and a punishment chart on the wall. My dad finally saw the truth. He just broke down. He took leave from work, moved us to my grandparents' farm, and got Lily into play therapy. Now she's 8. She paints, rides horses, and, get this, has 0 interest in law. She's just a kid, and she finally gets to act like one.